Hello and welcome to a new series that I will be bringing to this channel where I will be sitting here and talking about my design experience. Now, to date, I have been doing a lot of tutorials and design lectures on my channel, but the truth is there's a side to design that you just can't learn from tutorials, and also many things that they don't teach you in design school or university, and that is experience. Now, I have had almost 20 years in the design industry now, and there is a lot of mistakes that I've made. There's a lot of challenges that I've overcome. I've worked on many different projects at various different levels in the industry. And right now I'm sitting at a place where I'm quite senior in the industry. I have acquired a lot of knowledge and experience, which I think would be worth chatting to you about, because the purpose of this is it did take me a little while to get up to speed with a lot of things that I'm pretty good at now. And if I could go back to myself and impart some knowledge, then I think I would have been able to have been more successful at earlier times in my career. And if I can impart that knowledge onto you and help you with your career, then that would make it worthwhile. So this is the start of something new, where I will be releasing a series of videos where I talk about specific things that I've learned in my career that you can learn from and possibly get something out of. So these are not going to be tutorials, they're going to be honest conversations, because quite frankly, at the beginning of my career, I didn't have it all figured out. It's taken me a while to get on top of that. So it's about me talking to you about my experience. So I'll be looking to talk to you about everything that I've learned in the industry. So who am I? Well, my name is Gareth David and I am from the UK. I'm British. I'm a father, and since the age of 13, I have been very passionate about graphic design. And I always knew that I was going to be a graphic designer in some way. And it was just something that I discovered at an early age, and I've been on that path ever since. At 19 years old, I left Wales, I went to London, and I did my degree in Kingston upon Thames. And in 2007, I graduated and entered into the design industry. Now, over that 20 years, I've been a junior designer, I've been a middleweight designer, and I was freelance for 10 years. And really, that's where all the magic happened in my career, but that's a story for another time. Then I moved to Australia about 5 years ago, where I initially worked for myself, but then got a job as a creative director. And after 2 years of doing that, I am now working for myself as a design director and a creative strategist, where I work with small to medium companies, where I will partner with them, help them with their visual communication. I'll also help them with their brand strategy. I've done packaging designs, I've done branding designs, I've worked on marketing, and I've worked on social media solutions. So I've worked in lots of different contexts. I've worked with lots of different people. I've worked in various different environments, quite a large spectrum. And in that time, I've learned what works, what doesn't work. And since starting my YouTube channel, I've basically been passionate about sharing my knowledge. So what am I about? Well, as well as my passion for design, I've also been very passionate about teaching as well. And that is why I started the YouTube channel back in 2011, which has been almost 14 years now. And in that time, there's been ups, there's been downs, but I've never really given up, because my passion for knowledge and sharing that knowledge has never gone away. And I've always seek to share on my channel what I've learned. And that's why my channel has evolved over the last 14 years. Because as my career has evolved, and as I have improved my knowledge, my skills, and my understanding, I've shared that on my channel. So for almost 14 years, I have been sharing my experiences and everything that I know on YouTube. But also 2 years ago, I started Skillshare, because that's more of a learning platform. So right now I am on YouTube and I'm on Skillshare. And really what I have been focusing on in the last sort of 5 years is design process. Because one of the main things I want to impart onto new designers is that design is not software. Design is not Affinity, it is not Photoshop, it is not Canva. Those are just tools. Really what design is about is harnessing and understanding your creativity and how you can harness that and understand design principles and how you can use those effectively to create visual communication. And really that comes through process, where you start with a problem and you work your way through to a challenge, because all design is a problem which you need to solve. And design software tools are just a means to an end. Now they're very important, but they really are a means to an end. And what I've been focusing on in the last couple of years is design process. So I have released a few courses. I've also released a few ebooks over the last couple of years, which really focus on design process. And that is something that I'm going to be looking to focus more on in the coming years. So as well as working in the industry, and as well as focusing in on my career as a design director, creative strategist, which focuses on graphic design and helping businesses with their visual communication. I'm also very passionate about education, and that is why I'm here. And I don't really talk about myself that much. I'm not really an influencer. That's why you won't see me on Instagram or TikTok or anything like that, because really it takes a lot of time to craft what I know into courses and videos and put that online to share with you. But this is the start of something new, where I'm going to just talk more openly to the camera and just share some of my honest and humble experiences for you to learn. So this is the first video in that series where I kick it off by just introducing you to who I am, what I'm about, and what I've been up to over the last 20 years of my career, and where we're going to go in the future. Because part of my journey is to carry on learning, because you can never learn too much in this industry. Even though I'm very senior now and I have perfected my process, there's so much to learn and there is so much to share. So there's going to be this constant learn, share rhythm that I've been doing for the past 14 years. And I'm excited to see where this goes. So this is the first video in that series where I'm introducing myself to you and just getting the ball rolling. I have a long list of videos that I want to discuss and talk about. So if there's anything in particular that you want to learn about in the design industry, just pop that down in the comment section and let me know if there's anything that you'd like me to discuss in depth about the design industry or the design process, and I can add that to my list. And I will be coming back with you soon with some other videos that I'm looking to produce shortly. So if you want to learn more about the industry and learn more about my experience, be sure to like and subscribe, because there's going to be a lot more of these coming soon. So thank you for joining me here on my couch, and I look forward to speaking to you soon about more experiences that I can share with you. Now, before I go, I just want to let you know that if you are interested in learning design, if you are starting your career, I have just released a brand new ebook, which goes in depth about design principles, design process, what makes a good designer, and there'll be lots of things coming down the works and adding to this ebook. Right now, there's a project in there which helps you one of the most important parts of the design process, and that is the design brief. So if you're interested in checking out that ebook, check the link in the description. That is over on Shopify. You can go check that out. And if you get it today, then you will get all future updates to this ebook for free. Over the next couple of years, I'm going to be adding more content, more videos, more information to this ebook. So it's going to grow. So if you get it today, you can benefit from everything that's in it and get all the updates that will be coming later on this year and over the next couple of years. So be sure to check that out, and I will see you in the next video.